Open the box. Lay out the dispenser and the small bag that comes with it. Confirm that the bag contains 2 screws, 2 wall anchors, and 1 universal key. Using the universal key, open the dispenser and gently remove the soap container. Locate the area you wish to set up the dispenser. Use a multi-purpose cleaner or degreaser to wipe down the area, ensuring there is no residue or dust. Place the dispenser on the wall, then check that it is level. Once level, mark the pilot holes with a pen or pencil. If the marks are on wall studs, you do not need to drill pilot holes or use wall anchors. Otherwise, drill 2 pilot holes on the marks you drew on the wall. Then gently hammer the 2 wall anchors into the holes. Drill the 2 screws directly into the wall anchors, ensuring you leave about 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch gap between the wall and the end of the screw. Place the dispenser on the 2 wall screws. Gently push or pull the dispenser downwards so that it sits fully in the screw holes. Then check once more that the dispenser is level. Drill the screws further into the anchors, ensuring that the dispenser is not loose. Do not over-tighten the screws. Place the container back into the dispenser. Twist the cap off the soap container. Remove the cap on the hand soap bottle and replace with the pouring nozzle. Twist the blue cap off the pouring nozzle. Pour the hand soap into the soap container until full, which is at the 1000 milliliter mark on the container. Twist the cap back onto the soap container, then push the dispenser front into place. Great work! Now you're ready to use Dynasol's manual foaming hand soap dispenser.